Hello and welcome to Digital Priya Lectures. In this video, we will discuss about the kingdom classified by R.H. Whittaker. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for our notification. So, in this video, we will discuss about the kingdom Monera, which is our first kingdom, in which unicellular organisms come. Okay, so kingdom Monera has smallest and most abundant unicellular organism on this earth. They are the most primitive form of life. Okay, they are the first form of life on this earth. They organized from a primitive form of organism called progenode. They organized from progenode organisms, which are primitive form of life. Okay. In this, different types of organisms come, which is covered by cilia, bacillus, cocci, which is spherical shaped spirilla, have flagella on their ends. Okay, so which are the general characteristics of kingdom Monera? Genetic material, that is circular DNA, has no nuclear envelope. It have no nuclear envelope which enclose the circular DNA. So it is linked. Most of them have rigid cell wall, which is made up of peptidoglycan. Okay. Reproduction occur by asexual reproduction, which can either be binary fission or budding. Reproduction have no mitosis. Mitosis doesn't occur in this reproduction. Okay. Mitotic apparatus is not formed during cell division. When the cell division occurs, there is no mitotic division. Okay. So here we have shown the nuclear DNA, which is not enclosed by nuclear envelope, so it is called nucleoid. Okay. It has flagella, have cilia. Okay. Now, next characteristic of Monera kingdom is that ribosome and chromatophores are the only subcellular organelles in the cytoplasm, which it means only ribosomes or chromatophores are present, which are subcellular organelles in its cytoplasm. Okay, ribosome are 70S. They have different types of units like 70S, 80S, but in Monera kingdom 70S ribosomes are present. They are like these spherical molecules. Here we have shown the ribosomes in the Monera organism. Okay. Next characteristic is that the majority of them are heterotrophs. Most of organisms found in Monera kingdoms are heterotrophs. They can be saprophytic or parasitic, which gain their food from dead organisms. Okay, some of them are autotrophs, which can be chemical autotrophs which can do photosynthesis. Okay, they may be producer or decomposers. They can be producer which can produce food, or decomposers which can decompose other organisms and make their food. Okay, here we have shown the some of organisms of Monera kingdom like Euglena, Trichomonas, okay, Dietulgin and other organisms. Okay, our next characteristic of Monera kingdom is that they can either non-motile which can't move or move by beating of flagella or by gliding. Okay, here we have shown the Monera organisms have flagella on their body at the end part. Okay, flagella composed of many intertwined chains of protein flagellin. Intertwined chains of protein flagellin which compose flagella. Okay, so our next characteristic of Monera kingdom is that prokaryotic, mostly single-celled with a few colonial forms. They have these types of organisms. Okay, organisms of kingdom Monera found in all types of habitats like below oceans, in hot springs, inside and outside the body of other organisms, deserts, or on particular matter suspended in air. So we can say that it can adapt any habitation. Okay, it can live in all types of habitats on this earth. Here we have shown the underwater or below the ocean which can the Monera kingdom live, or here we have shown the hot springs. It can adapt the temperature of hot springs also. Okay, next we have shown the types of organism in Monera kingdom, that is Archaebacteria, Methanogens, Halophils and Thermoacidophils. We can learn Archaebacteria characteristics by the trick MTH, which is a book helpful in IIT examination. Okay, for clearing the IIT examination, which is MTH. It is a book of maths. Okay, so from M it stands for methanogen, T thermoacidophils which can bear high temperature, or halophils. Okay, next from H women halophils. Okay, next we will discuss. Here we have shown the Archaebacteria which have capsule-like body, cell wall, plasma membrane, ribosomes, flagellum, cytoplasm and a net DNA. Okay, next we have shown the Eubacteria, which is also a type of Monera kingdom organisms which have properties like heterophilic bacteria. They are heterophilic bacteria, Mycoplasma, actinomycetes, cyanobacteria, which is also known as blue-green algae. Okay, here we have shown the Eubacteria which can easily withstand the hostile environment created by volcanic activities. By volcanic activities, high temperature lava came out. They can bear the temperature, that temperature also. Okay, so they are called Eubacteria. Okay, so that's all guys. In this video we have discussed the kingdom Monera. In our next video we will discuss the next kingdom, which is kingdom Protista. So for that, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Also press the like button for our motivation. Thanks.